Hey all, welcome to Spice Kitchen and Ginger. Today we'll be making fried bananas. But first we'll go shopping for the right bananas. These bananas that you typically find in your American grocery stores are not the right kind. They'll be mushy when fried. These are Thai bananas. They are short and rounder. They are good fresh or fried. You want them yellow and really ripe to make a good fried banana. These are barrel bananas. See how their edges are sharper? They can also be fried. Again, you want them yellow like this. I put the bananas next to each other. These are the plantains. They are long and also good for frying. These are our bananas ready for frying. Look at how yellow they are. The first one is the barrel banana and the other three are Thai bananas. We need baking powder, rice flour, and ice water. We want to peel the bananas and slice them in half. These are our Thai bananas, barrel banana. Then we put 1 cup rice flour, 1.5 teaspoon baking powder, 1/8 teaspoon salt, plus a couple pinches, about 2 teaspoons sugar, about 3/4 cup ice water. Don't put all at once, but put a little at a time. I ended up using 1/2 cup plus 1/6 cup of ice water. We mix everything up together. This looks like the right consistency. And I like to do a test batch by dripping some of the dough in hot oil. Fry until golden brown, drain on paper towel, and do a taste test. Then you can adjust the batter to your liking. You can add more sugar, add salt, or water. Now we dip our banana in the batter and fry until golden brown. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, now is a good time to do so. As always, thank you for your support. Now we take the banana out from the frying pan and drain on paper towel. We can sprinkle some powdered sugar as well. I don't know whether you can hear the crunch. I know the background noise is kind of loud and I apologize for that. Thank you for watching and see you next time.